How to delete Snapchat avatar. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove your avatar on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen to go to your profile. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right. Then scroll down and tap on Bitmoji that you will find between notification and apps from Snap. Here you will get three different options of change outfit, edit my Bitmoji, choose a selfie, and there is also the option of unlink my Bitmoji in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and simply tap on unlink my Bitmoji and you will get the remove option. Pressing this option will permanently delete your avatar and you will lose all your avatar, all your fashion items, your favorites saved in your wardrobe. If you're sure that you want to delete or unlink your Bitmoji or avatar, go ahead and tap on remove and you'll be done. Your Bitmoji will no longer be visible. So that's it. Your avatar has been successfully removed. And if this video was helpful, you can go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.